Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how students or teacher can see the password in Zoom application during online classes. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I would like to create a meeting. I would like to share the information to my students, and the students can enter with the meeting code. If I'm creating the new meeting, so I can check the meeting and connection, everything is working properly. So now I would like to join the computer audio. So now I would like to start my class. So during my class, online class, if the students ask the password from my mobile or from my email, they are asking means how my running meeting link, that is online meeting link and password, how I can share the information. So through the laptop, see, for example, if you scroll up in your meeting link, means if you're sharing your screen, if you're chatting with your audience participants, means just right hand side corner you will find an option called meeting informations. Once you click the meeting information, your meeting ID, your host name and passcode and numeric passcode, everything will be displayed over here. Using this option, you can share the inputs to your students or your teachers. So that this is an easy way you can share your meeting information throughout the meeting in online. Yes, now I would like to share, while I am in the online class, I would like to share the meeting password. I would like to see the meeting password means while my teacher is sharing the inputs, my teacher is sharing the screen, means I would like to get the meeting link and the password, means on the top center button you will find a Zoom, that is Zoom secure lock is there. Just hit the button, automatically you will get a meeting information about what is the meeting name and what is the meeting ID and the passcode and the invite link. Everything will be displayed over here. If your host is locked, also your meeting information and meeting password will be displayed over there. So using this option, you can share the information to your audience, to your friends, to your teachers to get all the inputs. So this is an easy way you can get your meeting details and meeting information while you are in the online class, or while you are in the webinar or any other online meeting, anything else. So use this option, you can get more inputs and more information. So through the laptop or with your mobile phone, you can get your meeting details and information and the password. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.